The new KitchenAid multi-cooker delivers amazing versatility and consistent culinary results. Over 10 cooking methods, including 6 step-by-step modes, simplify cooking using precise and consistent even heat technology. Sauté or steam vegetables or chicken without additional cookware. Simmer a bisque or sauce to perfection one day, then slow cook savoury casserole the next. Start a busy day with whole grain porridge with berry compote and finish it with a perfectly seared, melt-in-your-mouth roast. It's one cooking vessel with amazing versatility. The optional stir tower can mix, flip, stir and incorporate fresh ingredients at the start. Stir intermittently or throughout the entire cooking process. Prepare risotto, soups, rice and even yogurt with one button as your multi-cooker simplifies complex cooking sequences and temperatures for you. Or make dishes like coconut curried prawns and vegetables effortlessly. Discover how easy gourmet cooking can be with your KitchenAid multi-cooker.